Gift wrapping. A pleasant yet painful experience. What up, everyone? My name is Kate, and this is the series 3 with Me. In this series, I will be showing you 3 different ways to do different things. Things like how to gift wrap, how to meditate, and so much more. This week, we are learning 3 ways to wrap a gift. This is my go-to type of wrapping for the majority of my holiday gifts. Last year, I got my friend Henry in Secret Santa, and his wish list was compression socks, a new belt, and an eyeglass cleaner. Turned out my grandpa had the same wish list. He told me his New Year's goal was to be sillier and go on more dates, so I got him the socks, his belt, and his cleaner, but I added a slight flair and got his face printed across each item with the saying, "I want someone who will look at me the way I look at chocolate cake." If that doesn't say silly and looking for love, I don't know what will. A year later, I can happily say he reached his goal, and not to toot my own horn, but I think the socks helped. I wish I had this method of gift wrapping when I re-gifted my aunt's annual holiday gift. As a child, she gifted me and each of my 7 cousins a toilet bowl light. Mind you, we did not each have a bathroom in our family home, so I'm unsure where she thought all these lights would be placed. My brother decided to set up his light in our family bathroom. That night, I opened the bathroom door and fell backwards out of horror. The intensity of the blue light shot upward to the ceiling. It was literally calling out to the beyond, summoning aliens to their landing spot. I wouldn't have been surprised if Marvel's Thanos ascended. In that moment, I decided to re-gift my light and use it for the school's gift swap. Mr. Stevens got the light in the end, and he seemed pretty happy about it. I use this method for gift wrapping my grandma a vintage brooch. Just as a dog mom is drawn to a festive bandana, I'm drawn to shiny objects. The brooch was truly a perfect birthday gift for my grandma and definitely put me on the top of the most loved grandchild list, finally above Med School Nancy. If you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome. We are fun, entertaining, informative. So you might as well just hit that subscribe button down there unless you don't like fun. That's a wrap on the wrapping. We hope you enjoyed this episode of 3 with Me.